So far in our series of the videos looking at the fabulous fireplaces at Wentworth Woodhouse, we've looked at the ones that are found in the Palladian-style east front of the house. This part of the building was designed for entertaining rather than family living, and the fireplaces we've showcased were definitely designed to impress the many visitors who came here. For this video, we focus on the fireplace in what is known as the boudoir, or paneled room. It's a room that was part of the private living accommodation in the days when the family lived at Wentworth Woodhouse, and it's a one-of-a-kind design.
It's a few years since we were last filming in this room, and it's still my favourite place in the house. The main reason for that is this incredible fireplace, which has pride of place in the room. It's a white, statuary marble fireplace with sienna marble slips to the sides. But what really makes it stand out are the incredible inlaid panels that have been used to decorate it. These are all made of black marble, which have been inlaid with other coloured stones to create a series of pictures. We have birds, butterflies, flowers and fruits, all carved from a variety of different stones, which have been carefully selected by the artists who made the panels. The colours and the shading of the chosen stones really bring the pictures to life. Just look at these flowers. The petals are made from inlays of coloured agate, and the artist has chosen to cut the stone so that the tip of the petals shows a strong orange colour, which fades into white where the petals join the flower stem.
It's a technique known as the pietra dura, an Italian phrase which literally means hard stone. In the 18th and 19th centuries, decorating objects using this technique was hugely popular, but it didn't originate in Italy. The ancient Egyptians used colored stones and colored glass to decorate objects and buildings. In India, the pietra dura technique was, and still is, incredibly popular. The walls of the Taj Mahal are entirely covered with decorative stones and mother-of-pearl inlays.
At the other end of the scale, this Victorian gold stick pin has an oval panel of black marble that's been inlaid with tiny pieces of turquoise and white marble to create a floral picture. It's typical of the kind of jewellery that was hugely fashionable among the wealthy at that time. Each of the panels in the fireplace contain numerous different types of stone. This image here is built up using over 30 individual hand-cut pieces, and there are more than a dozen different types of stone in just this one panel. It's an incredibly precise and time-consuming process to create panels such as these, so they were always costly items to acquire. The pieces in this fireplace were bought in Italy by the second Marquis of Rockingham when he was on his grand tour of Europe as a young man. But the actual fireplace was made much closer to home. It was designed by the famous 18th century architect John Carr of York, and you'll see some of his other fireplace designs in various videos in this series. The fireplace was made in 1773 by a craftsman called John Platt, and his workshops were in Rotherham, about 5 miles away from Wentworth Woodhouse itself. Sadly, we don't know what the second Marquis paid for this beautiful piece, but we do have invoices for some of the other fireplaces that we're going to feature. So please subscribe to our channel to make sure that you never miss a new video release. And don't forget to like our videos and leave us a comment.